we need to engage into things that shares here. If there's evidence that this thing belonged to accused number 3, so now we are inviting ourselves to speculate, to say if this device was not in Phosphorus. Now we are speculating to say maybe it was with somebody else.
Don't accuse me of speculation. I'm asking this witness. And this witness says all he can confirm is that the number of the device was at a certain location, but he can't vouch to the fact that the device which belongs to Rachama Khwatling was at that location. Am I quoting correctly, sir?
That's correct. Let me clarify this by asking this question, by telling this by putting this to Mr. Stein, Mr. House. I had an opportunity to consult with the rest of the accused. It is confirmed that accused number 3 was in possession of this device on the 26th of October 2014.
Where?
On the day of... My Lord, may I just...
No.
I don't want to leave the gates.
No, Mr. Mngomezulu, please.
I started, my Lord,
The court must be placed in a position to understand. Because this witness, wait. This witness doesn't talk about locality of a person. This witness talks about the locality of a device. Mr. House, Colonel House, is that correct?
That's correct, my Lord.
That's it. So
but
I must
we are
understand.
talking about the accused.
Otherwise, this court is Mickey Mouse court.
No, my Lord, no. The court must not dig its own way. Of finding the person. No, I'm saying there's evidence here. GG.
Yeah.
It talks about accused number 3. The instruction the request that was made to Mr. House was in relation to 5 accused. Accused number 3 is one of them. And my instruction, when I cross-examined Mr. House yesterday, I started at 7 in the morning. Yes, in page 10, until the 30th of October. There's no other accused person that I'm talking about.
No.
I'm talking about him.
But listen, I was in this court. This witness never confirmed the presence of accused number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He confirms the presence of a number. Am I correct?
My Lord, this is a section 205 is on the number.
Please,
IMA of the number where the number was in that area.
The number, not the person.
The device, my Lord.
May I request the court?
That's not me saying that. It's him saying that.
May I request the court not to be impatient? May I request the court to be patient and listen?
I'm very patient.
No, my Lord, I disagree with you. I don't want to fight and dialogue with you.
Okay.
My concern is that just now, to correct that accused number 3, I'm putting to this witness now that from 8 o'clock, I'm specific now, from 8 minutes past 8, according to these records, he was in possession of the cell phone.
Okay, fine.
Until the 30th. I'm being specific.
Yes.
I don't talk about other days prior. Now I'm putting to you, Mr. Host, accused number 3, I put it as a fact now. You can disagree with me. I put it as a fact that on the 8th, on the 26th of October 2014, at 8 minutes past 8, as with reference to page 10 of Exhibit GG, he was in possession of that device. I put it as a fact now.
Can't comment on it, my Lord.
Okay.
But you saw us start to 808 ngomhla 30. Why Pete lo makhalukhukhuna uthi cha angikwazi ukuletha leso siqiniseko.
Let's now get into your evidence, which I said is irrelevant in this court. 2018. Before I conclude my examination, I'm going to argue at a later stage that evidence that you presented in this court from 2018 to 2021 is irrelevant in this court, in the sense that there's no communication that you have placed on record either through SMS or WhatsApp that constitute or has the elements of a particular offense, meaning there are no SMSs, there's no communication that you can prove to this court that these accused persons knew each other for wrong purposes, especially in relation to the death of Senzo Meyiwa.
Athi akukho ubufakazi obungabulethi obukhona lenkantolo ukuthi mhlambe kwaba nama SMS noma WhatsApp ekhombisa ukuthi ukuxhumana kwalabasolwa mayelana nokwenza ke ukuholela ekubulaweni kaSenzo Meyiwa.
Meaning, you cannot prove mens rea or mean guilty mind in this communication between these accused persons.
Ngeke kwazi ukuletha isiqiniseko sokuthi laba ke abasolwa babehlosile.
I don't know what it means, sir.
You can't, I'm putting to you, you can't even prove the actus reus, the positive act in the communication of these 5 accused persons in terms of these records.
My lord, I don't have a law degree. I don't know what
Active rules is.
Positive act.
he's put statements to me.
No, this is,
I'm new in the court.
let me just give you an example, Mr. House. Just an example. An example would be, in the communication, accused number 1 said, yes, this is what I've done, through a message or SMS. Yes, that's what I was trying to say. Let's move forward. You remember when you talk about paragraph 15.2.2 in your exhibit DD5?
That's correct, my lord.
You talk about a cell phone that was taken from accused number 1 during his arrest under case number 217-03-2019. Remember that? Paragraph 15.2.2.
Athi ngaphansi kwa paragraph 15.2.2 kwe-exhibition DD5 ukhulume nge-cellphone eyathathwa umsolo wokuqala ngesikhathi eboshwa.
Yes, my lord.
Athi yebo.
Do you agree that you spoke about accused number 2, accused number 1 being arrested under case number 217-03-2019?
Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi wathi lapho ke umsolo waboshwa ngaphansi kwecala ekuthiwa 217-03-2019.
Tembisa cash.
Sorry?
Tembisa cash.
That's correct, yes.
Athi icala sethembisa. Yebo.
Remember,
That's correct.
in
Athi
terms
yebo
of
kunjalo.
in terms of that affidavit, you only mention one affidavit. Sorry, you only mention one cell phone.
Athi lapho ukhulume nge-cellphone eyodwa.
That's what I received from the investigation officer. That's
In
correct.
terms of that affidavit, an affidavit was made by you, not by somebody else. You were alone when you made that affidavit.
Athi wedwa umabhala leyo affidavit.
According to the database, that was the number, only that number that was found. That's correct.
Bathi ngaloko okukhona lapho ku-database iyona ke number iyodwa yatholakala.
So where did you get the information that a cell phone was recovered from accused number 1?
Uthatha phi ukuthi khona
Mthembisi.
umakhalekhukhwini watholakala
Where did you get
kumsolo wokuqala.
From the database that was given by Colonel Stein to say that this number was received, was found in possession of accused number 1.
Hayi lo ngithole ngokuconestele ukuthi le number yatholakala umsolo wokuqala.
And Colonel Stein testified before you were asked by Mr. Gininda to come and testify here.
That's correct, my lord.
Athi yebo uconestele weza wazoletha ubufakazi ngaphambi kaGininda.
So now, if this cell phone, according to the database, was taken from accused number 1, accused number 1